Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to restore default file explorer settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To restore default file explorer settings on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. Click on three-dot icon to see more. Now click on Options. In folder option, click on View tab. You will find here Restore Default. Just click on Restore Default and now click on Apply and then click on OK. This is the easiest way to restore default file explorer settings in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.